If you want a healthy skin, you have to really take care of yourself, whether it's nutrition, whether handling stress, or whether it's your daily routine. One of the main factors for you to age fast is stress. You should know how to handle stress, and moreover, stress can be handled by taking good supplementation of vitamin B. Okay, and then the next thing is once your stress is handled, then next is the nutrition part of it. Eat healthy, exercise right is one of the mantra for having a very, very beautiful glowing skin and hair. Usually happens among the teenager, but nowadays we are seeing it among even the post 30 females. See, one is because the insulin levels go up, and a lot more women are suffering from PCODs. Once you suffer from the cyst, your insulin, there's something called as insulin resistance, where sugars go up. That's when you have a lot of acne coming up. One way to combat all this is taking high dose of zinc. By taking zinc supplementation, you can really cut down the oiliness and the pimples, and really to some extent the iodine and the zinc is going to take control of the PCOD. When we are talking about skin, the whole issue, it's just not about the skin, the whole appearance for that matter. If you want to really look presentable, you should have a fit body, glowing skin, shiny hair. So for all this, it's one thing is when you're stressed, you release a hormone called as cortisol. The more the cortisol, the more you're going to get fatter around your abdomen, and you're going to age faster. So how can you combat cortisol is by taking good supplementation of vitamin B and meditating, and learn how to manage day-to-day stress. Don't carry work to home, and don't carry your personal things to professional things. These are two things to be kept apart. And once you know how to handle stress, I think everything else is going to fall in place. And take loads of good nutrition, because that's the one thing which keeps your cortisol and your skin and your hair glowy. Cortisol has to be kept in check. The more the cortisol, the person is going to turn a diabetic, hypertensive, you're going to wrinkle fast, you're going to have a hair loss problem. See, if you want to have a glowing skin, you have to follow a daily regimen of cleansing, moisturizing, toning. But yeah, you don't have to have an expensive product for all. You don't have to have an expensive product for all this. See, simple cleansing with with a good soap or a good face cleanser is just enough. And moisturizing, you can just use a toner. In the sense, you can use just plain rose water, refrigerate it and spray it on your face. It's just going to work. And moisturizer is something if you take in good fatty acids, your skin is going to glow any which ways. But an extra bit of moisturizer, if you want to use for an oily skin, you can just go in for a gel based moisturizer. For a combination skin, you can go in for a lotion based moisturizer. And for a very, very dry skin, you can go in for a cream based moisturizer. And now even the creams are coming with fortified with B5, omega 3, omega 6. So if you eat all of this, you don't have to depend on creams to look good.